Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a weekend update of the TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio. This is update number 13. We've been going now for just over 3 months, and I just did a deposit. If you've been following along the channel, you know I'm doing monthly deposits to the TFSA. Just did the monthly deposit, added some new stocks to the portfolio. We will go over the portfolio in this video, but also we received a few dividends. It's coming up to the beginning of the month, so the dividends are starting to kind of now roll in throughout the month. So we'll go over the dividends we've received so far in the trade portfolio and show you the positions that we are currently in and some of the new purchases that we bought in the stocks. All right, let's first jump in. This is in the activity section of your trade portfolio online. So we can actually go in and we can see where we've received dividends. So we actually have received for the month of July, we've got 2 dividends so far actually. We received one from TransAlta Renewables at the end of June. So we'll count that kind of as a July deposit as well. We received 94 cents on June 30th from the TransAlta Renewables, which is great. That's going to be a consistent monthly dividend. And then on July 8th, we received $1.60. This is from REI, that's our real estate investment trust. And then on July 9th, we've just received a deposit, $2.31 from VDY, which is our Vanguard. This is our ETF. That's our dividend yield ETF. So let's jump in now into the portfolio. We'll show you what stocks we've picked up and how the portfolio is performing so far. We are TFSA Portfolio. We just did a deposit this week. Now what will show up with Wealthsimple is the daily value is going to be off quite a bit because I've put the day before yesterday, on Thursday, I put a deposit of $680, which was the monthly deposit into the portfolio. So of course, what happens is it considers that for some reason as a decrease. So it looks like we're down 17%. We are not down 17% because we added 680. So we're current balance on the TFSA portfolio, 3,154.87. So that's pretty good after just over 3 months. I think we're doing quite well here. And we can go now and see for the week, this is how our portfolio performed in the week. We were up 1% on the week, which is I think okay considering the week. If you've been watching the market, Thursday was kind of a bit of a disaster. Prices really came down, but we actually were able to purchase more stocks on that day. So we got actually ended the week up on the week, which is nice to see. So we'll go over the portfolio here. We are currently with Brookfield Renewable Partners. We have the same amount of shares there, 5 shares. We're up 0.81%, $1.90 on that on the account. Cineplex has been doing quite well again. We are back up just over 20%, which is nice. What's been happening is all the cinemas across Canada are starting to open up. So I am quite optimistic on this one. We'll see how this one plays out. It had a good week, back up 20% in the portfolio. I think now with Ontario starting to open up, I believe next week, we will hopefully start to see some more growth on Cineplex. Greenlane Renewables, this one is down, but we did purchase some more shares of this one to add to the portfolio. This is our long-term kind of renewable energy growth stock that we're kind of into, but we are down 7.39%. It's 26.65 we're down, but that's okay. This is our long-term hold. RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust is always doing quite well. We are up 12.44%. We purchased some more shares of that one, so we're up to 20 shares now in the portfolio, and that is the one with REI.UN. We received the dividend from that one too. So we do have some money to start putting into trades. TransAlta Renewables, 17 shares, purchased a few more shares of that. We are up 5.96%. This one gives us our nice regular dividends as well. And we've seen a bit of increase. We're actually up a bit more. We're still down 3.82% on Solar Alliance Energy, but this one seems to be picking up a bit. We're at a total of 300 shares now on that. So we'll hopefully see some growth in this in the next little bit. This is another, along with Greenlane Renewables, we are holding this one long term. So we'll see how that kind of plays out. And Slate Office of Real Estate Investment Trust, we are 30 shares on that. We're up 1.79%, $2.85. We're gonna start seeing the dividend for this one come in. I think it comes in at the middle of the month. And we are again in Telus. I purchased 4 more shares of Telus. We are up at 1.49%, so 3.70 in total on Telus. And now we're up again with VDY. This is where most of the portfolio is leaning towards. ETF, a bit more diversification than individual stocks. And we are on the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index. Regular monthly dividends on this one. We're up to 25 shares and we're up 3.09%, so $30.09, which is nice. So coming up this week, we do have $20.27. Well, I'll figure out where I'm going to place that for purchases. And I do have a couple of things in the watch list that I'm checking out. I'm going to do a video on my watch list, so keep an eye out for that one. If you aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and you will see that pop up. So let's just go over the portfolio. So we're up in the week, which is nice. 1 month return now $49.09. We're up 2% this month, which is nice so far. Good start to July. And 3 months on the portfolio. We've been going for just over 3 months. We're up 4%, 127.27. So we're starting to kind of see the growth happen here, which is nice to see. And all time we will be up a little bit in the 1 year, 132.14 on the portfolio, which is nice to see. We're slowly growing up to the goal of $100,000. It's going to be a little while, but we'll get there. So all time will be the same as 1 year because we have been in the portfolio less than 1 year, but it's nice to see the portfolio up. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you are new to the channel you've made it this far and aren't subscribed, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. If you like the video, you can obviously hit the thumbs up button, helps the channel as well, gets the channel promoted to other people so they can see it. Hopefully you found this useful. As always, do your own due diligence on all these stocks. If you are investing in your own portfolio, this is just for your information. But if you're following along, I do appreciate it. As I mentioned before, I'm going to do a video on the channel of a stock that I kind of came onto my watch list earlier this week. So keep an eye out for that one. I will get that one up, and I think we're going to do a purchase, probably a little bit of position in that one next week when we have the chance. If I have a little bit of funds in the cash in there from the dividend, so I might kind of throw that into a new renewable stock position. But keep an eye on the channel. We'll post that video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for following along. That's the weekend update. I'll be back middle of next week for kind of the midweek update on the portfolio. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.